How to only see posts from people you follow on your Instagram. Want to see only posts from people you follow? Let's switch your Instagram feed step by step. So, step one, open the Instagram app and go to your home feed by tapping the house icon, which should basically find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap the Instagram logo at the top of your feed. A menu will drop down with feed options. Select following and your feed now shows only posts from accounts you follow in chronological order. So for extra control, add close friends or creators to favorites and their posts will appear higher in your feed and in a separate tab. Seeing only posts from people you follow is easy. Switch the following feed and use favorites for priority accounts. And that is how to see posts from people you follow on Instagram.